What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJ and I'm back with another episode. Guys, today we have talked about yours truly, Lil Uzi Vert. Guys, last night we had Rolling Loud Festival, but absolutely everyone is talking about performance by Lil Uzi. The fans in social media saying that Lil Uzi was playing with demon during the stage, and it was totally satanic. Also, guys, last night was a major in ATL city. T.I. had wonderful show in his home city, and the whole arena was rapping his lyrics during the performance. Man, last night was a lit in ATL city. Check this out, the video. Come on.
I was on Instagram and I couldn't believe my eyes. I saw a post saying Mike Tyson is ready to pay $10 million to any guy who marries his daughter. I kept looking at this post, and apparently the Instagram comedian Michael Blackson went on to DM the post to Mike Tyson, which provoked him further. Michael Blackson said, "If this is true, I think I'm finally ready to settle down. I know I've been dipping and dapping in a few snow bunnies and Asian persuasions, but I'm ready for your beautiful queen. I'm ready for you to give some grandkids who have the complexion of Tyson Bedford, knowledge of Cicely Tyson, talk like you Mike Tyson, and hopefully not built like Tyson Fury. I really don't give a heck about the money, but I will take it. Waiting to hear back from you, father-in-law, sir." Apparently Mike Tyson said, "Listen, you little black little person, this ain't real, and as soon as I find the person that started that meme, I'm gonna knock them the heck out, so please make sure it ain't a burnt roach looking person. My daughter is happily in a relationship with a nice looking man, so she's not interested in an overcooked hot dog like you. Next time you do my podcast, I'm gonna knock the black off you. It might take a year because you black as heck. Get out of my DMs before I get your black ass deported, you Geico lizard looking person." So as you can see, it got really heated between the two. I think this whole situation is crazy because this is just an Instagram comedian, Michael Blackson, going against a heavyweight world champion in Mike Tyson. I know who I'm picking. Who do you think will win? Do you think Mike Tyson is actually going to knock out Michael Blackson? Do you think Mike Tyson is ready to dish the hands to anyone talking crazy on his daughter? Let me know what you think down below. And make sure you leave a like and comment and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss another video.